OICA, Odisha Institute of Computer Application, an ISO certified institute. IT, Information Technology. Questions Part 2. The main electronic component used to first generation computers was A. Transistors, B. Vacuum tubes and valves, C. Integrated circuits, D. None of the above. The answer is B. Vacuum tubes and valves. Next, a DRAM terminal has A. An imply-based microprocessor, B. Extensive memory, C. Independent processing capability, D. A keyboard and a screen. Answer is D. Keyboard and screen. Next, 1 millisecond is A. 1 second, B. 10th second, C. Thousandths of a second, D. 10 thousandths of a second. The answer is thousandths of a second. Next, the output quality of a printer is measured by A. Dot per square inch, B. Dot per inch, C. Dot printed per unit time, D. All of the above. The answer is A. Dot per square inch. Next, which of the following was a special purpose computer? A. ABC, B. ENIAC, C. EDIVAC, D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. Next, what was the computer invented by Artenisov and Clifford? A. Mark I, B. ABC, C. Z3, D. None of above. The answer is B. ABC. Next, which of the following storage device can store maximum amount of data? A. Floppy disk, B. Hard disk, C. Compact disk, D. Magnetic optic disk. The answer is B. Hard disk. Next, which computer was considered the first electronic computer until 1973 when court invalidated a patent? A. ENIAC, B. Mark I, C. Z3, D. ABC. The answer is D. ABC. Next, a physical connection between the microprocessor memory and the other parts of microcomputer is known as A. Path, B. Address bus, C. Routes, D. All of above. The answer is A. Path. Next, high density double side floppy disk could store dash of data. A. 1.40 MB, B. 1.44 GB, C. 1.40 GB, D. 1.44 MB. The answer is 1.44 GB. Next, a high quality CAD system used a following for printing drawing and graphs. A. Dot matrix printer, B. Digital plotter, C. Line printer, D. All of the above. The answer is B. Digital plotter. Next, which of the following is not an input device? A. OCR, B. Optical scanners, C. Voice recognition device, D. COM, computer output to microframe. The answer is D. COM, computer output to microframe. Next, the accuracy of the floating point numbers representable in the two 16-bit words of a computer is approximately A. 16 digits, B. 6 digits, C. 9 digits, D. All of above. The answer is C. 9 digits. Next, in most of IBM PCs, the CPU, the device drivers, memory, expansion slot and active components are mounted on a single board. What is the name of the board? A. Motherboard, B. Daughterboard, C. Breadboard, D. Fatherboard. The answer is A. Motherboard. Next, magnetic disks are the most popular medium for A. Direct access, B. Sequential access, C. Both of above, D. None of above. The answer is A. Direct access. Next, A technique used by code to convert an analog signal into a digital bit stream is known as A. Pulse code modulation, B. Pulse structure, C. Query processing, D. Queue management. The answer is A. Pulse code modulation. Next, regarding a video, which statement is more correct? A. It is an output device. B. It is an input device. C. It is a peripheral device. D. It is hardware item. Answer is A. It is an output device. Next, a modern electronic computer is a mechanic that is meant for A. Doing Q mathematical calculation, B. Input, storage, manipulation and outputting of data, C. Electronic data processing, D. Performing repetitive tasks accurately. The answer is B. Input, storage, manipulation and outputting of data. Next, when was vacuum tubes invented? A. 1904, B. 1906, C. 1910, D. 1880. The answer is A. 1904. Thanks for watching.